Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you can see, Dr. Ross and I, we're in our limo right now. We're going to flip a dollar 100,000 times because Dr. Ross and I, we're getting deals from the Oprah Winfrey Network, the OWN channel, as well as Disney, ABC, and many other providers.
Exactly. As always. But let's just get straight into the day that you guys have all been waiting for, the She's Hot contest. But
Sponsored by Playboy International.
Of course.
And today, sorry to cut you off, Dr. Ross, but
Go
today
ahead,
we're doing a double feature. We have Miss Kenya Moore, and we also have the Jenny McCarthy as our winners.
Exactly. So for Miss Kenya Moore, Kenya Summer Moore is an American actress, model, producer, author, and television personality, and entrepreneur. She co-starred in the Bravo series, The Real Housewives of Atlanta, from 2012 onwards, and was a member of the cast of The Celebrity Apprentice 7 in 2015.
And
congratulations.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Our second winner for today is none other than Miss Jenny McCarthy. Jenny McCarthy Wahlberg is an American actress, model, television host, satellite radio broadcaster, author, and an anti-vaccine conspiracy theorist. Congratulations to these two hot vixens. They are both millionaires, they know the big business, and always looking for another figure. That's for you.
We will be contacting you about the award, so get excited. We already know our followers are extremely excited because you guys chose the winners.
My nigga, did I just catch you simping? Oh!